Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and let's create a simple excuse generator app using React.js. Now for this project I am using this excuse generator API. Now the link of this API will be in the description below. You can grab it from there. Now the goal of this project is there will be 3 buttons: family, office, children, or anything. Whenever I click suppose family, then the excuse should be family related. Whenever I click the excuse for office, then the excuse should be office, and something like this. Now what we can do, we can go back to our VS Code. As you can see, I've already installed React.js using Vite, and I've cleaned my app.js file. Now here what I can do, I can simply create 3 buttons and name it as office, and I can simply copy this button, paste it here, paste it here. Now let's change this to family, office, and let's say this will be college. Alright, now we need to create a use state hook so that we can manage our excuses dynamically. So let's create that use state hook. So for that we can write const, let's say excuse, and set excuses, and we can write here use state and initialize it with empty string. Alright, now I need to create a handle function so that whenever I click on my buttons, it will call that function. So let's write const handle fetch, and this will be an arrow function, so the syntax is something like this. Now to fetch the data from the API, I am going to use Axios library for fetching our data. So let me install Axios here. So installing Axios to my React app is very simple. I can come here and in my terminal, and I can simply write npm I Axios. Now do remember, you need to stay in the same directory as of your project. Now this will install Axios library to your React app. Now this will take some time depending upon your internet speed, so let it install, and after that we can start our project. Alright, Axios library is installed to my project. Now I can simply run my server again, npm run dev. Now this will run my server. Now in my handle fetch function I can write Axios. Now I need to import Axios from Axios library, so come back to my top of the app folder. Now here write import Axios from Axios. Alright, now copy this Axios, and here within this handle fetch function I can write Axios dot get. Alright, now copy one of the API URLs. So let me choose family here, paste it here within inverted commas, and we have to write dot then res, and this will be set excuse res dot data 0 dot excuse. Alright, now from where I am getting this, so if you go back to our URL, as you can see, there is ID, and after that we have excuse. Now I need to dynamically change this family to office, college as well. So what I can do, replace the inverted commas with string template so that we can use variable within our string. So alright, now replace this family with the dollar sign, give a curly braces here, and I can write excuse, and here I need to pass on excuse. Alright, now let's rename it, suppose excuse generated. Alright, now copy this excuse generated here. Now copy the excuse generated from here, and let me create a p tag, and within a curly braces I can write excuse generated here. Now in my button element, what I can do, I can simply select all this and create an onClick function, and within handle click and write handle fetch, and within this handle fetch I can pass the excuse type. So here I need to write family so that I get excuses related to family. Now here I can write office. Similarly here I need to write college. Now if I save this file and go back to our Chrome page, as you can see all three buttons are visible, that is our family, office, college. Now if I click one of the button, let's say office, an excuse will pop up which will be related to office excuses. Now if I click college, an excuse will generate and it will be related to college excuse. Let's say family. Similarly you can click and see whatever excuses it generates. Alright guys, we have completed our project. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it, comment down below, and see you again in the next one. Till then, peace.